Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius in your Hyundai Venue. Many drivers prefer to see temperature in Celsius, and it's a straightforward process. First, locate the trip button, usually found on your steering wheel or directly on the instrument cluster. You'll use this button to navigate through your vehicle's display information. Press it a few times until you reach a screen showing the outside temperature or your trip details. Now that you've found the correct display, the next step is simple. With the outside temperature or trip information visible, press and hold the trip or reset button. Keep it pressed for about 5 seconds. You will observe the temperature unit on your instrument cluster display change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Releasing the button will confirm this new setting for your convenience. If your Hyundai Venue features an automatic climate control system, there's another method for its specific display. Locate the OFF button and the Auto button on your climate control panel. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. After holding them for a few seconds, the temperature unit shown on your climate control display should switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. For the main infotainment screen, changing the temperature unit can sometimes be different or not directly available, depending on your specific Venue model. While the instrument cluster and climate control usually have a direct method, infotainment options can vary. If you encounter any difficulties, your vehicle's owner's manual is an excellent resource for detailed, model-specific instructions. Enjoy your updated temperature display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.